3CX Live Chat and Talk. Install the 3CX Live Chat WordPress plugin. If your website doesn't run on WordPress, that's okay. It's available for any CMS or custom-built site. Keep your communications on one platform and help customers find information in real time. Turn visitors into conversions. Reduce your website's bounce rates and capture your visitors' attention. Effectively turn visitors into leads and understand their requirements before pitching your offerings. If chat isn't enough, you can elevate to a call. The 3CX Chat plugin is unique. It offers the ability to voice and video call for free. Help solve complicated technical issues, increase conversions and improve response times, and increase customer satisfaction by removing the need to dial a number. Chat and call from one interface. Locate previous information easily so that your customers don't need to repeat themselves. Phone, video and chat from one interface. Communications are visible to all agents. Save yourself time and money.